Test, 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 test. Hey everyone, test. Yo, all right, cool. I'll play that music again. All right. Hey everyone, how you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Yeah. What's up? Happy Leap Day. Only happens once every 4 years or so. Why does Leap Day happen? Why does it? What I think Leap Day is about is there's what I learned that blew my mind was there's no such thing as 24 hours in a day. It's just an average between 22 and 28, and a day being like day and night and whatnot, and so it buckets all that time and adds it into a whole new day every 4 years. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah. Hi everyone in the chat room. AJ, Roger. I don't know how to say that Russian name. I'm so sorry. Peter, what's up? Wolfgang, Kai, Graham, and that other person named Jessica. Whatever. Who cares about you? Anyways. Hope you're all doing well. Where are you all from? So Kai's from Amsterdam. Yeah, where are you all from? And thank you so much for hanging out with me on this Leap Day Saturday. An extra day before your monthly bills. An extra day of the month. Yeah, thank you so much. What will we be doing today? All right, let me show my screen real quick. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, here we go. We got Seattle, Austria. Awesome. Ukraine. Okay. Providence, Rhode Island. Nice. Thank you all. Thank you so much. This is what we're doing. So my wife is starting out her own entrepreneurship by herself, doing her own freelance design gig, and I'm going to be building her site inside of Webflow. And if you haven't seen my previously uploaded video, it's all about what no code is and why it's important, and what we hold on, I'm getting distracted by my wife. My wife is watching the stream and I'm hearing a delay, so I hear my own voice from downstairs. Jessica, please turn down the volume on your phone. Anyways, so when that video, I talked about me and Jessica's process whenever we build a website. And what we do is she takes care of all the basic stuff, which is wireframe, static mock. Now she says sorry. There's like a 30-second delay. Anyways, static mock, and then collections. She does all that, so it's really cool. Now I have to go find it, but yeah. So I'll be building it Um, hold on. I gotta ask her, where did she save the site? Hold on. Where did you save your site in Webflow? Is it your own Webflow account? Oh, I thought you were gonna put it in the. Oh, okay. Have to log into yours. Okay. Whoops. Have to log into her Webflow account. Let me do that real quick. Like, hold on real quick. So yeah, she does all the basic stuff, and then I just go in and make it happen. And that's what I love to do. I like to build inside of Webflow, obviously, and let me see here. I'm logging to her site or her Webflow account right now. And so you'll during the stream you'll see my process, and we're able to create sites really, really quickly. Where is your site? Hold on. This stream is not going well. Where's your site? What? I don't. What folder? Sorry if I'm yelling into the mic.
What are you talking about? Are you talking about the asset folder or are you talking about the actual website?
The actual website.
You're ruining my viewing of this live stream of this dude.
Just tell
my
me.
whole site on
Just
YouTube.
tell me.
Okay, you interrupted me. Homie,
What?
wrong account.
You said it was.
No, I said my other account. That's my client account.
Jeez. Okay,
everyone.
here, go log in.
Hi everyone. Are you showing the screen?
No, I'm not showing the screen. What is it?
Move.
God.
I don't even know the password.
Then how am I supposed
I
to
don't
work?
know. I don't know. Forget password?
Oh God.
Jesus. Hold on. Hey. Let's relax, everyone.
Can I just start from a blank? Wait, no, you made the collections.
Correcto mundo. Hold on. Forget password. Blah, blah,
Oh
blah,
my
blah,
God.
blah. Can I do it on my phone or do I have to go on?
Yeah, reset your password on your phone.
How are you guys doing today? Cool? It's great.
What are they saying? Graham says hi.
Hi.
Oh Jesus! You're supposed to mute whenever. Oh God.
Hey. There's a lot of rules here, guys.
You not.
Oh, I know the password. It's okay. It's gonna be like, please use a new password.
High quality content right here.
Who said that?
Me. Sorry everyone for the delay.
Cool.
Okay, log in.
Do they hear this music that you're playing right now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my god, I'm like half asleep right now.
Just.
I'll get him, don't worry.
Yep. And we're in. Get out here.
Okay, I'm gonna go watch this guy build a Webflow site.
Yeah, build your site.
Bye, everyone.
All right. Okay, where were we? Robert Hamilton, what's your thoughts on Editor X without being biased? It's hard not to be biased, especially if I work for... Yeah. So, my thoughts. I have a live stream. Actually, yeah, you can watch the... Fast forward to 7 minutes and 50 seconds into my previous uploaded video, and you'll know my thoughts. If you want a quicker answer to what are my thoughts on Editor X, do a page speed test on wix.com/editorx, or just view that landing page's source code, and there it is. If the code is bloated, it is not a good enough tool. It's the same thing as if someone gave you a dinner plate at a restaurant and it took too long for you to get that dinner, and by the time it got to you, it was already cold, or it just looks messy, it wasn't plated right, and you were expecting a 3-star Michelin dinner that you paid $500 for, you know? Like, I want tools to be better, you know? And yeah. But CNN's website shows 1 on a page speed test. They have some work to do. Let's move on to this build. And yeah, ask any questions you want while I'm doing this build. But now that we're logged in, this is my wife's current site right now. It's coming soon. And now I'm supposed to make it like this. So let's get to it. So what she did was already create the collections. Okay, cool. She already created the collection, so I'm just going to take this and go. Let's make a whole new page. I'm going to call it New Home. And I'm going to set this new home as the new home page. Blah. So old home, new home. Starting from scratch. Let's go. What do I want to do? Let's go ahead and... I don't know if this is going to be sticky or not. I'm guessing this nav will be sticky because if you think about it... No, I don't... I need to ask her. I'm going to go for sticky. And you know what? Let's use the new layouts thing. Cool. Sticky nav. Ooh, it's a Did you just yell at me, Jess? Anyways. I'm intrigued to see how to build this, how this build will happen and how fast. I'm not going for speed on this one. This is not a 3-minute challenge. If you want 3-minute challenge, talk to Sarkis or Sako on Twitter. He's really cool. Oh, sticky. There we go. Goat. Well, thank you. This right here, sticky nav. Let's go ahead and remove that default color. Make it transparent. And this nav grid. Ew? Huh. That's new on me. Interesting. Okay. Well, this right here. Oh, okay, it's a grid. I see. I don't know if I want this sticky nav. I don't know if I want this. Yeah. I don't want it. Nope. Don't want it. Starting from the beginning. Sometimes the pre-built stuff with Webflow, it's good for speed, but if you want to actually control a lot of the stuff on your own, you start from scratch or start with what you know. So that's what I'm just gonna do it on my own right here. Wait a minute. Oh, this one doesn't have... Jess, notice how this logo doesn't have the words, but this does have the words on the top left. You need to update that on your own when you can. Okay. So usually SVGs, when you put them in, it shows up like this. It's like, oh no, I put in the image. It's a SVG, but it's not showing up. The reason why is because you need to add a width of 100%. 100% is 100% of its parent, which is this brand. And so that's how you're able to get that. All right, this navbar. Let's remove the transparent background. So it looks like the logo is gone, but it's because the logo is white. So this right here, navbar, is going to be sticky. And to activate stickiness, you make it 0 and crazy Z index. And yeah, I think that's what we need. So here's something interesting. This logo to me is huge, but I doubt Just wants the logo to be huge as I scroll down. So what's going in my head right now is as I scroll down past, say, this point right here, the logo's going to shrink into something better. So keep that in mind. I have an interaction already in my head. All right, this nav menu. All right, so this nav bar uses old school floats. No bueno. Okay, so we have to remove the floats by going here to float and clear, and see, it's already pre-styled with CSS floats. To me, I'm going to remove that. All right, and this right here, this nav menu has a float right. I'm gonna remove that as well because I want everything to be pushing towards the left. And yeah, so let's just keep going. So we got services, work, services, work, about, copy, paste, paste, podcast, contact, cool. All right. Let's put the nav bar. Why is the nav bar like so weird? I'll fix. Something's going on. I'm trying to figure out how come this nav bar is... Oh, it's because this logo image right here is so big. It's going 100% of its container, which is this. So the brand, we'll go ahead and set it to like 150 pixels. There we go. Display block. And let's go ahead and set this to... Let's make them go into a regular div block because I want to control everything rather than letting a pre-styled container dictate my life. So I'm gonna call this nav container and set a max width of 1100, center that, and we'll flex it so that way everything is, there we go, so everything is on the same line. So we got the brand right there, nav menu. Yeah, hard to see what you're doing when you don't have the black background, so let's go ahead and put that in. Let's see here, section. I'll put the nav bar inside of there. So this section right here, I'm gonna call it hero. And let's give it a background of, is it just basic black? Yeah. I see the colors here, but do you have any special black? I'm thinking it's this one. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's not complete black. So there we go. All right, these nav links, they need some style. So let's go ahead and color them white. Nav link 2. I don't like that. Do I already have a nav link color? White. No decoration. All caps. I need the basic font. Barlow. Let's go ahead and add it. Barlow. Nope. Barlow condensed. So you need regular, semi-bold, and I'll just get all of these. Is it, wait. hard to tell which one's semi-bold. Wait, how's it go? Regular, and then semi-bold, and then is this medium? And yeah, I don't know. All right, cool. And I have these set up, so that's good. So I can go here, refresh. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my body, and I'm gonna set the. I'm gonna remove that because I want to set the HTML tag. So this happens on all the pages. I want the base font to be Barlow. Cool. Whoa, that's really small. Does the hover supposed to have a... I don't like the hover having an underline. I don't like that. I'm going to delete that. Cool. All right, so we have services, and so let's make this a bit bigger. It seems like it's bigger. What I like to do is I like to just eyeball it, and then at the end, when I toss this over back to my wife and say, here, it's done, she makes all the little tweaks of making the font sizes bigger or smaller, because honestly, it was like, whatever she would tell me, move this to the left, move this to the right. Can you make it bigger, make it smaller? Can you do something else with it? Like, you do it yourself. Now she does it, so it's awesome. All right, nav link. Nav link. Oops. Nav link. One more. Nav link. Awesome. And all of these need to be on the same row. So all I can do is just take this nav menu, flex it, and we'll take these and make sure that they're away from each other. I'll say 22 is fine. On the nav menu, let's push it away from the logo, something like 64. And it looks like there's some space at the top for this nav container, so let's push this down a bit. Yeah, something like that. Cool. Like it? Yeah? No? Should this be flush to the left rather than centered? Maybe. Let me delete this and push it. I'll ask her later. I mean, I can always tweak it later. All right, so this hero, we're gonna make this 100% VH. Boom. Let's go ahead and I can just copy these bars from the old home. And all these bars, it's not an image, it's actually just gradients. I named it Dem bars. Yay! That was easy. Alright, now I need this texture thing. So how am I gonna do this? Should it be a... No, it's not a background. It should be image. Notice how she put this line right here. I don't know if you can see this 1 pixel line. That's her indication of a fold or 100 VH. So this goes over it as well as this. I could use images and use position absolute, but then this has to be inside of this at all times. How is that going to work in responsiveness? I don't know. And this has to be under this type all the time. I'm thinking... Alright, let's go for it. I'm thinking position absolute with 1 div to rule these 3. To rule them all. So let's try that. Div absolute bottom right and random numbers 800 just and overflow is going to be hidden, because notice how this gets cut off. So yeah. Oof. Oof. Ooh, okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. I want to put okay. The overflow is not hidden on this. The overflow is hidden. Let's put this out of here and put this hero. Let's make this fixed instead. And this right here, this hero, this one is going to be overflow. So the reason why I set this navbar to be fixed instead of sticky and took it out of the hero is because I want the hero to have an overflow of hidden. So that way, if I push elements towards the right and I purposely want things cut off, if I push to the right without an overflow hidden, I will have a horizontal scroll bar. So I don't want that to happen, so I do overflow hidden. However, if you have a position sticky element inside of an element that has overflow hidden, the stickiness will not work. So to make it easier, I just went for the navbar outside of the hero and setting that as position fixed. It works. So that's my thinking right there. This div block. Okay, I think I can do it now. Let's go ahead and should it be a background image? Oh, I need to upload the images. Oh, and by the way, if you're a designer, graphic designer, and you're setting up files, check this out. Check this out. This is how files should be set up. Super simple. Oh, we have the new logo. Super simple for what I need. Look at this folder structure. Home, because I'm on the home page. Ugh, makes things so much simpler. Is that the one? I think so. Okay. Now I gotta, oh jeez, what a puzzle. If I push this down, it's gonna be overflow hidden because the hero, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. This is so interesting. Because this needs to be pushed down a bit if I go like that. But now I have a horizontal scroll. See what I mean? Oh my god. Why do you hurt me in the... Ugh. Do I have to, does it, interesting. Does it have to be, okay, what if I, oof, oof. Okay, what if it's custom, okay, and I do overflow hidden, and I push this to 0 so I don't have, I need to make sure that there's no repeat. There we go. And we use this. There we go. Shoot. I don't know, 500? Oh my gosh, 1,000? Okay, somewhere around there. Okay. Oof. Okay. Okay. I think I got it. Ish? I don't know. Oh, and this has to be responsive. So I'm thinking in my head, using exact pixels is never good. You always want to use percentages or VW or VH. And so I was just using 800 pixels as just a guesstimate, just to give me some space to think. And now I'm like, oof, how's this gonna look? Oh, I knew it. Oh my god. I quit. Nope, I'm done. I'm not a good web designer. We're done. Oh, God. This hurts my feelings. Okay, try something else. Don't give up. Inline images. Maybe this is it. Hero white circle. Maybe this is the one. Okay, after I'm done doing this, I'll explain why I did the things. But hold on, I have to make sure I figure it out. Straight pixels, I think? Wait, why? Oh, wrong way. Okay. Yeah, feeling it. This is what I want. What if the circle were a giant background? Don't tell me what to do. I'll figure it out. Oh, I figured it out. There you go. Jessica just screamed. Look at the chat. I got it. All right. Oof. Okay. So that'll be an inline image. And then on top of that, I'll put another div. Because that's position absolute. So on top of that, I'm going to have a div. And this is going to hold these three things. Yes, this is what I want. Hold on, let me add another section real quick. And just call it like row 2. Just for now. Call it black. Oh no, not black. That one. And we'll say that's the height 100 VH as well. Alright, that's the problem. This needs to be on top. Nope. Ah, okay. Come on, Z-index. I need this to be on... Someone's Z-index needs to be bigger. Why? Okay. Why do you, sir? Why are you not... I want to see the bottom of this image. So this Z-index works. See how it's... That's working. This isn't. Come on. Oh, wait. It is. Okay, it's the height. It's the... Oh, and I have overflow hidden. So if I just went like this... Okay. I see you. Got you. That's what I want. Yes. Feeling confident, so I'm giving you a class name. Oh, that was tough. Let's remove any unneeded CSS that I just added. And, oh, Okay, we need that one. Woo! Feeling good on a Wednesday. I feel like this needs to go like this. Them bars needs to go over. There we go. We're good, we're good, we're good. It's always, whenever I look at a site design, I'm like, oh, okay, that looks simple. And then when I actually get into it and start building stuff in or rebuilding, and I'm like, oh god, it's harder than I thought. And I put myself in a bind, but that's what I love to do. I like to challenge myself. Let's go 70. Let's go bigger with this. Just see where life takes us. All right, cool. So you, sir, will be position absolute, and you'll be on top of that guy with the Z index. And we're gonna put you on the top right, but push you down a bit. I can't see where you are, so let's put a piece of text in. Actually, let's put a heading. There you are. Found you. There we go. And I think we can set a pixel for this one. Cool. Okay. Normal. There we go. Let's get some dots up on ya. So hero dots. Did I already make dots? I feel like I already made dots. Yep, right here. I called it more dots. Let's delete that one. Content wrapper, and this one is hero content. Cool, cool. Let's remove that and that. There we go. So we have more dots. After more dots, we have more text. And I think the text is already in the old home. Yep. So let me just copy this. Interesting. Boom. More dots. There we go. Sweet. We're doing it. We're doing it. Next one, need an image. And that image is you. You is image. Hold on, is hero content. Wait, do we have, is there any overflow hidden? There has to be. Ugh. Okay, okay. Don't panic. You got this. Okay. All right, cool, cool. All right, so I'm gonna call this happy people. And we're gonna make it a circle. And so in order to make it a perfect circle, you have to give it the same width and height. So we're gonna give this a width and height of like, I don't know, 500 by 500. And we'll set the fill to be cover. And we'll set the radius to be 50%. And there we go. And we'll do the margin. Ooh, what? I didn't know margin does that. Okay, that's fine. Interesting. Learned something new. All right, so position relative, I'll just move it that way. And there we go. And we'll push it away from the top using margin instead of relative. do that. And this hero content, we can push it down a bit. Okay, well, first crack at it. Not perfect, but we're making it work. I don't know if that... Responsiveness, man. Right, we'll figure it out. Not sure this is exactly what she wants. Or maybe... Does the hero have to be 100 VH with this type of design? I don't... What if it was exact pixel? Because things seem too far away. I'm gonna use exact pixel. It wasn't sitting well with me. See, that seems more fun. Like, see how tight this is? Okay, we'll do that. Let's move on. Okay, so as I scroll down, this needs to shrink. We need to replace this with the other logo. Nope, I don't have the new logo, so whatever. This needs to shrink, and this needs to have like a black background. So if you haven't done scroll interactions, here we go. When I pass the hero, make things happen here. So I'm going to target my hero, add a scroll into view, and I'm going to start with scroll out of view. Seems backwards, but it's not. Start animation. Nav shrink. And I'm going to target this brand. And I'm going to set the... And Robert, if you're watching, interactions right here. This is cool. This is cool. Size. Let's go ahead and set the width to, let's say, 100. I think something like that would be cool. And not sure why the brand is so long, but we'll leave it like that. So it'll like that. Let's give it some sort of... Is that too fast? Oh, that's cool. And also the nav bar should get a background color of black. And there we go. You can't really tell. And then when I scroll into view, I'm just gonna duplicate this and call this nav expand. And the brand size will be, I think I did 150. Yeah, and background color is going to be transparent. And there we go. And now for the offsets. So 0% and scrolled in. So offset right here. So 0% is up here. And 100% is down here. So I'm going to set this scroll out to view like somewhere around here, 30%. And then same thing here. I'm going to set this to 30%. Okay, that navbar is still way too big. And I forgot to put some sort of animation for this. So right now it's set to linear. So I'm going to set this to the same thing as this, which is out quint, the easing. Let's go ahead and set that easing to out quint. Now let's investigate why this brand is so tall. Why are you so tall? So if I shrink you you should shrink as well. Interesting. Am I targeting the brand or the logo image? I forget. Yeah, the brand. Yeah. Okay. Do I have to do the height too? I don't want to, but... Okay, 50-50. And then this one right here, I'm going to say 150, 150. And that should fix it. There we go. All right, so I need some padding at the bottom. So I added padding at the top, which is 32. I need padding right here. There we go. Cool. Moving on. This still it's kind of a feels too small. But Jessica will fix it. All right, moving on. Second row. I'm not going to make this 100 VH. We're just going to make it whatever it wants to be. I'll set the padding to 200 on the top and bottom. Okay, now we need another texture. I'm starting to hate these textures already. Because of responsiveness. Oh, okay. We can make this texture position absolute, and this one will be inside of a 2-column grid. Simple. Okay. Oof. All right. I was stressing a little, but now I'm good. I'm good. So let's go ahead and put that image in here, and it's this stupid thing. Row to white circle. We'll call 50%. Yeah, sure. Position absolute. And row 2, we'll make sure that overflow is hidden, so that way nothing goes outside of it. Negative 50%. Okay, well, we'll see. All right, something like that. Yes.
Good job.
Thank you. Nah. Cameo? Yeah. Okay. Baby break. Okay, it's your mom's website. She just wants the toys. Here. Lego. Lego. Okay, don't press the buttons. No, don't press the buttons. Okay. Baby break over.
Are you mad at me?
No, it's a good challenge. I got it.
You read my mind though on the second row. It should be absolute background with 2 columns.
Yep, absolute.
Good, we got each other.
We got each other. All right. I'm gonna call this container 1100. Center that. Actually, this seems thinner than 1100, but should I use just the regular 960 container? Maybe. Let's add a grid. 2-column grid. Only need 2 columns, and they're 50-50. Looks 50-50. Oops. Let's go ahead and put the image in there. Jessica photo. This shouldn't over. Okay. That didn't work. 2-column grid. Well, let's just make sure that it's relative. And there we go. All right, Jessica photo. 400 by 400. Nope. Is this a perfect square? 650, 650. That's when you know you have a good graphic designer working with you. They think ahead. Because this is square, I don't have to use CSS to make it square. It's already a perfect square. So all I have to do with the border radius, 50%. Ugh. Yes. Yeah. Hi, I'm Jess. Nice to meet you. And then dots. And then after that is a paragraph. And the paragraph has all this stuff in it. There we go. Is it two? Should I use 2 paragraph? Yeah, I'll use 2 paragraph tags. And then the image of Webflow experts. And then the button. I can pull a button from her old home. There we go. And there we go, but this one is meet Jess, and it doesn't need an interaction on it, so remove that. Okay, and now styling this. To content. Let's go ahead and make sure that everything is white. Nice to meet you. This shouldn't be H1s. There we go. This shouldn't be H1s. This should be like H2. Wait. Okay, cool. H3, let's go ahead and make this normal, and this one we can leave it as is. Just make sure that zero that out on the margins. Same thing here. There we go. I feel like these need to be bigger. There we go. And this one, what did I use? 38. Cool. These dots need to be more dots left. This paragraph. How about all paragraphs? Let's make them bigger. Experts. Let's move that away. And let's make it small. Sweetness. Looks like the columns are too close together. I'll deal with that later. I'm guessing buttons should be all centered. Yeah, they're all gonna be centered. And for this button, let's call this let's give this I don't want, actually, yeah, we can do it inline. No, if I do inline, yeah. I can put this in a div and then do inline. Yeah, I'll do that. I don't have to name the div anything. So this one, inline. There we go. Meet Jess. Cool. And now we can just take this grid and let's go ahead and fix the columns. Oh, yuck. Responsiveness. Figure it out. We'll figure it out. Oh, God. So does this need to be bigger? Okay. Okay. Why aren't you showing up? Why aren't you showing up on top? Is it because you're... Okay. Oh, okay. So I have to set... Okay, this white circle needs to be with... Okay, okay. Have you tried using multiple background images for the textures? Me? Yeah, I tried background image for the texture. It wasn't working so hot. I can try it right here, yeah. You know what? Doesn't hurt to try. Oh, I think there was an issue when I did this. It's not moving. Why? I don't want to use pixels. How come percentages doesn't work? Oh, VW. Okay. Who invented responsive design anyway? Ah. Yeah, so yeah, this is getting cut off, and it's not because hero is overflow hidden, it's because this is overflow hidden, and we gave it a height of 100 VH. So what if I gave it a min height of 100 VH? Still gets cut off. Oh, my life. And if I remove overflow, then I have... Oh, multiple background images. The happy people doesn't have to be... The happy people don't have to be an inline image. They can just be Is this what you're talking about? If so, then maybe... Oh, why is it still getting cut off? Yo, why are you getting cut off? I'd like to know why. I'd like to know why you don't like my name, my face. Set body with background of gray and then have all the sections transparent. Is the whole thing? Ah, yeah. Look at you. Yeah, all the pages are. Look at you looking at me looking at you. Okay, we'll get somewhere. We'll get somewhere with this. I like you. Andy, you rock. That doesn't solve this though. Alright. We're not using percentages. Okay. But it gets cut off there. I don't... It's gonna hurt me if I do that. I hate your guts.
Hey, I showed you the design.
I
You
know.
said, I can do it.
Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
Fantastical. What? Why are you doing that?
Oh, jeez. That's not gonna work. I need to put happy people back in because it needs to be a circle. So, don't worry. I'll get it done. I promise.
Okay, working those.
I'm working. No.
I know.
There you go. Okay, we'll figure this out.
If you want, I can redo the design.
No.
Good, because that wasn't really good.
I'm gonna get this. I can do it if she wants another person to give it a go. It's only fair you helped me out when I was trying. Aw, thank you, Andy. No, I want to get this. I want to get this. I'm going to get this. I just don't like this how it cuts off. And I'm guessing it gets cut off because... Okay. It's gonna get cut off. That's fine. It gets cut off because it goes... It's... Well, no, position absolute. What if I do like 200 VH? Where would my life be? It was the height. There we go. Screw that. This whole thing. I got it. I got it. I got it now. I'm happy. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. We're doing something. We're getting there. I can't talk right now. I wish I can help explain what's going on in my brain, but I have to do it without talking. Okay? Okay, I need to push this to the left. It feels like it's too big. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. What if we set this to a size, pixel size? Okay. Actually, we'll do a max width. And do a width of 100%. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Something's happening in my brain. Just like that gap, though. Is this too close? Now the real question is, what happens when you resize the window? I know, right? Craziness. All right, all right, all right. Let's do this. I think I'm happy with that. And this right here has to be -1 on the Z index because I want to make sure that I'm able to hit this button. Whew. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. 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 Let's give this a padding. Now we can push this over a little bit more. And then push this back. I feel like this splotch thing isn't supposed to grow, but at the same time it is. Oh, just keep moving on. Let's go to the third section. Oh my god. Alright, these arches, are they graphics? Are they images? Yes, they are. Beautiful. Alright, so let me show you how to do those arches. Damn, dude. When you think a design is simple, my god, it's not. Let's take away this. Wait, this height doesn't have to be 200 anymore. Cool. Alright, this doesn't have to be 520. She knows how to stretch my thinking. My god. Row 3. Here we go. Position, relative. And this is what I usually do whenever I do these type of arch things. I get something like this, and then I just... Oh wait, I don't have to do overlapping. Duh. It's on the same color, so we're good. Section. Give a max width and everything can overhang the section without leaving massive gaps in the middle. Give a max width. Max width to what? Alright. Alright. Just keep going. So top arc, and then we have this, and we need to make it white. White row. White. Take this top arc and paste it. And then I'm gonna call it bottom arc. Oops. bottom arc. All we gotta do is transform and rotate. Whoop. 180. I could have just typed 180, but I wanted to make that sound effect. You would have too. Alright, now let's figure out them bars. Is this relative? Okay, cool. So row 2, I can put in them bars. And I'm gonna call it flip. So that way I can whoop. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Wait a minute. Hold on. The bars aren't the same. Is there such thing as mirroring in CSS? Maybe it's not. Dem bars, flip. Can I add another rotate where it's just sweet? Today I learned. Okay. And then position absolute, we'll set that to the cool, we're getting there. I'm getting there. And row 2 should have, there we go, yep. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Andy, rotate Z. Yeah, we just learned that. Why aren't you on top? No. Don't make me sad. Oh, these overlapping stupid things. Why isn't this z-index higher? This has no z-index, so if I put it up, it should be higher than this, because this doesn't have any. Oh, life. Wait a minute, the purple, the blue and the purple is supposed to be... I'll get to it later. I need the positioning of this. So it has to be something like this. Okay, but it has to be on top. But at the same time, not on top. What the hell? Oh! Whoa, sorry. I said oh and coughed at the same time. Sorry for the people using headphones. No, it's transparent. This has to be on top. Okay, what if I put you here? Okay, okay. Sweet. What happens if I make this smaller? Nope. cool. Moving on. Color's black. Let's go ahead and... Okay. Let's add a... I feel like this is a container. And then dots. And then a grid. And this one's gonna be 3 column. I love grid. This is exactly an issue I need to resolve in a new design. You post these on your YouTube, right? Yes. This is all recorded. So once it's done processing on web or YouTube, you'll get a notification if you're subscribed that you can watch it. All right. First one is Sanrio. Oh yeah, hold on. This is what... Yeah. Yeah. That's what she made. And then she made like trading cards and stuff. Like even this kind of stuff. Pretty cool. And then she also made figurines, like this one. Pretty cool. Cool stuff. So that's what my wife does. Ew, see? I'll figure it out. Marvel. Yep. Okay. Whew. Oh, yuck. What? Ooh, why is there the SVG? Yeah, she'll see that and she'll fix it. Those little lines right there. I think the arches aren't perfectly balanced. Oops! Share your screen, please. Yeah. Whoops. Thank you. Y'all see me doing nothing. Yeah. Let's keep going. All right, that was an easy one. Moving on. Let's see. This one, I think we need... No, never mind. So what I usually do whenever I start a new section, I pick a random number for padding, and then I go with the section. And then it's up to Jessica to figure out what feels best on the design. Alright, these bars are annoying me. Those white textures annoy me. These bars annoy me. Ah! But you know, it makes it look good. And I can't deny that, and I need to give that. My wife is my client, so I gotta make it happen. If I say I can do it, I should be able to do it. But there's just so much going on. My God. As always, if you have any questions while I'm doing this build, let me know. I'll do my best to answer. What I want to do would be nice. Maybe do like a live stream of helping you guys out if you have a question about Webflow. That's one of those things I want to do. But I need to find this thing called time. What is time? We were given an extra day with this time, and so I'm able to do this. How can I get this extra day? We need like a day between Saturday and Sunday. It would be nice. How can I help you with dots? Two column. No, don't reload. Whew. Whoa. Two call grid. We're gonna need a div, and this div is going to have row 4 column, and I'll just say row 4 column 1. What? We'll say row 4 column, and then add some padding. Guessing a number. 42 is always a good number, right? I can take that, copy paste. Now we have 2 of them, and everything's centered. Cool. Say yeah, graphic design. Graphic design, and then P. Cool. Call this H4, make it bigger. Okay, that's what I want. That's cool. And for column 1, we give it a background image of the blue. Cool. And let's go to this and make them the both same width and height. Let's make them say height. Like 360. And let's make sure that the image is contained, centered, and no repeat. Okay, cool. Let's do call 2. Same thing. Image, yellow, contain, center, no repeat. Wait, H4 needs to be all caps. And I spelled graphic wrong. There we go. There we go. Sweet. You know if there are any plans for Webflow to make the container with editable, or am I going to be stuck with creating a container div for every site? I think they've... yeah. Oh, they locked it. Yeah, they still have it locked. So a container is a pre-styled div that's already responsive, and it's been around since the first version of Webflow. So yes, you are stuck with creating a div and then making your own styles. But in the future, you know, maybe there's a way. What I'm hoping for is like the whole plugin marketplace, whatever, whenever that comes out. It's been like something we've talked about for years. Vlad has talked about it on the live stream for years, and if and when we get that happen, so many things that the community wants like that, the community will build it, and it'll just be amazing. I can't wait. Is the Webflow team working on allowing us to make web apps, or am I imagining that? You can already make a web app. Makerpad.co shows you how to make web apps using Webflow and other tools, MemberStack, Zapier, Airtable, Parabola, Integromat. I mean, there's so many tools that you can piece together and make a web app happen. On Makerpad, someone was actually, Ben, the creator of Makerpad, created an Airbnb type of website. So that's a web app. And it's using like Airtable or something. Like Airtable can be used as a database. So we've already allowed it. But to do everything inside of Webflow, I don't know. And obviously, I can't say what's on the roadmap. I can't say any timetables for anything. But everything that Vlad said that we're working on is what we're trying to do. I mean, we want to do so much, but as with like I said, like I always say, to make something hard to use is easy. To make something easy to use is hard. All right? So we're taking the hard route because we care. All right, let's go and make this white. Oh, huh. Ew, this is not looking good. Do I have to force a break? I think so. There we go. Okay, so let's make sure that this is normal. Oh, what? I can't center? How do I... Oh, I'm gonna have to flex. Center. Vertical. Okay. Wait. The content has to... Oh. That's what I want. Sweet. So I can... Let me delete and do it to both. Flex. Vertical. Center. And I don't need these. Sweet. It looks off, but that's what it is. Okay. Grab that button. Okay. Grab that button. Boom. I need to push this away. I don't like adding too many class names, but I feel like I have to here. Button row. All right. That one was simple. Let's make this bigger. These bars, though. Yeah, we'll move it later. First draft, not gonna be perfect. Oh, we made it to the footer. Oh, yay. Let's go. Section. FYI, did you know you can make a HTML5 tag right here? Footer. Purple. How come there's so much space down here? Is it you? Who's... I'll figure you out later. Why is there space? It's making me mad. What happened to the body tag? Is there like something I should know? No, there's nothing. It should end at the purple. It should end right here. Okay, this has to be the issue right here. One of you is pushing down really far. But yet, this ends right here. Make it white. 2-column grid. Sweet. You can add a grid. Hey. Grid and call it 2-column grid. Sweet. Or maybe it should be footer grid. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Take you, put you into a div. Get them dots. Put you on the left. Oops, nope. There we go. And then we need the social medias. So let's go ahead and put a div. Oops, I want a div inside of a div. There we go. And let's social row. Flex that so they're all in the same line. Put a link block, and inside of a link block is going to be the image of the social media icon, Facebook. And we don't see it because it's a SVG, and it's okay. So social icon, we'll just give it a width of 70. Ooh. 20 is fine. Cool. And social width. Actually, it doesn't have to be display block. Display flex. Each of these are inline, so we're good. Social link. and push them away. 20. Social link. Social link. There we go. Ew, they're not the same? Because, yeah, Facebook is taller. I get it. Alright. Social links will be 100 pixels. Ew. Alright, fine. The heights. Do I have to make a special combo class just for Facebook? I feel like I have to. Ugh. Oh wait, no, it's not supposed to happen there. It's supposed to happen here. Oh wait. Okay, they all work like that. That's fine. Cool. No, Facebook, whatever. Okay. Alright. Now we need this newsletter stuff. So let's go ahead and in here, put a paragraph. And do you want to stay buddies? And then we'll go ahead and put a form in there. And this form just gonna have an email address. Go. Acquired, and this right here, grid it up. Cool. We'll call this form grid. Input. So I can remove the 10 at the bottom. There we go. And this form usually has a 10. Yep. Remove that as well. Footer form. Got it. Button. Oof, it's huge. Sign me up. Okay, cool. Can this go 100? Yes, it can. Sweetness. Cool. So this page is done except for this weird whatever this is. So let's publish and investigate. So how I investigate some stuff that I can't figure out in Webflow. Oh God. Yep, it's the bars. Okay. Ugh. Okay, that's fixed. First draft is no. Ugh, look at that. First draft is never the best, so it's okay. So I right click here, inspect, and it's targeting HTML. Something is. What is causing? Nothing to the left. Something is causing the bottom. Oh my god. Here. I'll throw it in chat. What is that bottom stuff? What? Who did what now? Look at body ends right there. If body ends there, then who are you? Who are you? Why do you do this with my life? What? Oh dear. This doesn't using incognito. Yep. See? Imposter syndrome right here. God. Yo. Learning. Purple arc. I know it's not this, it's just that I need to do that. And then just bottom bar height. Purple row. Is this section? No, the section doesn't have, this doesn't have any padding or margin. Bottom bar height. This has no margin at the bottom. Like if it did, I'd be like, okay, that's easy. It's that. But there's none. Oh my god. Oh wait, is this? No, it's not. Let me collapse everything. Hero. You're cool. You're cool. Because you end right here. Oh my god. Okay. What if... Let's start deleting stuff. Actually, I'll see it happen here. Delete this. There it is. It's them bars. Okay. All right. I'm wondering why though. What if I make these smaller? Okay. Graphic owls in the house. What's up, man? Dem bars. Yep, we figured it out. Good job, Hillary. Kurt. All right. First draft. Meh. You know, but that's how it always starts, right? It's never perfect. Okay. Did the structure. Responsiveness. How is this gonna happen? I have no idea. So to be honest, when it comes to, oh cool, we have actually tooltips. If you, well, that's nice. Okay, so oh, the image is taller and overhangs pushing the bottom of the screen. Thank you, Andy. Okay, so when it comes to very unique designs, I get nervous before I even press this button because I'm like, how's it gonna work? I'll figure it out. I always do because that's what web design is to me. It's a puzzle. So, ready? Wait, my sister's calling. Can't talk loud. Cool. All right, cool. And go. Not so bad. Okay. All right, we got this. We got this. No worries. No worries. Menu button. This can be pushed to the side. So this is flex. So let's push it aside. We're good. If the bars were a background image, it would solve all the issues. I'm trying to not use images. I'm trying to use CSS. Like, this is all just CSS. Because if you use images, it, like... I wonder what SVGs would... How much load time SVGs for these bars would be. She obviously has the working file, so maybe I'll try that. Thank you, Andy. I'll ask her about that. But for now, moving on. How many colors? How many bars in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm thinking for tablet on down, she has a custom mobile menu that is on the bottom. And since she only has 5 links, each of these links could be represented by one of these bars. Because I always feel like mobile, these hamburger menus shouldn't be at the top because it's hard for a thumb to reach there, especially with phones getting bigger and bigger. Unless you have a folding phone, then you can fold that phone over a little bit and then reach the top right and then fold it back. God, what a world we're in. Folding screens? Damn. Whoa, choked on my spit. But what I was going to say is, what if the Samsung Fold or the Razer... No, Samsung is the only one with the Fold that you can keep it like this. So what if you go like this, and then this is a new breakpoint? That's gonna hurt my brain. It already does right now. Again, imagine if you have those folding phones, right? And then this is one breakpoint when it's folded completely, and then this is another breakpoint when it's at 90 degrees. Because they do have a video chat software in that folding phone, where if it's like that, I don't know. I have to watch MKBHD again to see it, but oh, I just broke my brain thinking about that. This is going to be the new breakpoint. Ugh. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. That's going to be the new breakpoint. How are we going to solve for that? Lordy, lordy. Okay. Let's see here. What if the navbar doesn't... Oh, we can fit it. We can fit it. Boom, I like it. Okay, we can fit it. I don't think it might be that different actually, other than mobile breakpoint just being shorter. Yeah, we can use 100. No, we can use 50 VH. But just thinking about stuff like that, the future. Height breakpoints, here we come. Yeah. Oh man. I mean, you can already do height breakpoints, but no one really uses them. Everyone just does it by width. But maybe I'm thinking too far. Thinking too much into it. Nav container. How come you're not? Oh, because I have it justified like that. Okay. There we go. That's what I wanted. And we can make you smaller. Uh-oh, if I make you smaller, then I have to fix the interaction. No, I'm gonna leave you like this. Okay, you're still good. No, never mind. The justify needs to be right and left. Yep, I like it. I never use a horizontal and vertical orientation breaks, but it should be. You should set a fixed width on the circle image of the people. Oh yeah, thank you. What is this? 650 by 650. Oh, so the reason why it's doing that is oh no, it's not. Eh? Why are you like? Okay, there we go. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, this is looking better. Damn bars. If I mess with you, I mess with all the other ones. So, whatever. Eh? This feels better. I like this breakpoint. It's playing nice. Except for you. Ah! You're so close to the edge. Alright, alright, alright. You're good. You're good now. Happy people. Oh, knew it. Have some scrollio issues. Okay, it's you. I'll get to you later. Okay, alright, we're good here. We're good, we're good. Nothing too crazy. Row 2 is nice. Bars. You know what? You know what? Bars? Get out of here. When it comes to smaller breakpoints, you gotta go more simple. I'm not the only one who has to have even numbers or by fives when it comes to your pixels, right? Oh, that's too close. All right, pretty good. All right, this one is way too. Yeah, let me give some padding to the white row. There we go. Was that a Team Alan A? Probably. More like a Fonz. A. Need more padding. What I like to do whenever I do side paddings or margins is I like to go back to a higher breakpoint and let it inherit down. That instead of doing it right on the exact breakpoint, so that way I get anything that's in between. So when I size this down in between, I don't have to worry about it. Yeah. Removing the bars. I like that type of thinking to solve the... Yeah. I mean, you know, you got to keep it simple. You don't want to make it too crazy for a user's eyes. Because if you put the bars back, it feels visually, like, claustrophobic. I don't know what the word is. Like, you don't want to make this a lingscars.com. You don't want to make this a penny saver or anything. Keep it simple. All right, so this is what's causing this. This is what's causing this. That's fine. Let's remove dem bars. And these, I guess. Why is this one wider? Is it the type, or is it because this? No, this is definitely wider than this. Right? Yeah, it is. So it's the type. Okay. So it has to be these. Yeah, okay. Oh, I see. So if I do like this, do the same thing, 56. Okay. All right, we're good. Cool. And we got to the bottom. Okay. Oop. Doesn't look even, so... Okay. Not too bad. Right, feeling good. All right, ready. I was but found the glorious in between numbers. Boom. Okay, things are happening. We got this. Don't freak out. All right, navbar. You know what? I don't want the hamburger menu at all. This brand on this breakpoint, don't need it. This nav container, 0. I'm gonna put this at the bottom. Center it. What's causing this issue? All right, right here. There we go. This is what I want. Okay. I'm just gonna fix to the bottom. Stay with me. let's remove this. Remove this. Nav menu. I want to make sure that it's full width. Okay, okay, we're doing good. Let's go ahead and... Okay, that's what I want. I like it. Oh, that's what I... 0 there. 0 there. And this should expand. Center. Okay, we're doing good. This is what I want. I'll call this nav link 1. So combo class, and this is going to have a background of purple. Sweet. Link 2. Do you see what I'm getting? See? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? I took that from Kit Boga. If you don't watch Kit Boga on Twitch, you should. Link 3. Wait. Nope. Four. So this is basically a suggestion. She can like throw this idea out the window, but we'll see how it goes. So now it's easier for someone to tap on something rather than having to stretch their thumb to the top right. You know what I mean? Or hold the phone and then use the other hand to tap on the hamburger menu. So there it is. Let me remove this real quick. Make these bigger. Dude, I want Skittles. Taste the rainbow. Cool. And let's give them a border at the top. Something thick, like 3. And make it black. So that way, when it gets to like stuff like this, see right there. 3, 5. We use 5. Thick. There we go. Cool. Yeah. And now I just have to put her logo back to the top left. But you should give a lot more padding on those links for iOS and Android buttons that sit in the bottom. How does it go? Hold on, let me look on my phone. You can go on it on your phone too. Can someone send me a screenshot of what it looks on iPhone? Just mess15.webflow.io. Oh, I still have the interaction set. Hold on. Publish. See how easy jQuery or JavaScript is? 3 clicks and I just fixed something. Oh, I thought I fixed something. It didn't work. What? Okay, whatever. I'll figure it out later. Yeah, it needs more padding. You're right. $42. I like it without the border. I don't care what you think, but I think I should take out the border. Okay, refresh. How come I feel like it's not updating? Well, I don't understand the world of web. Wait, did I reach the end of my playlist? Where's the one that I like? Nope. Nope. There's like some song that has... Whatever. We'll start from the beginning. That's so weird. I feel like it's not updating. Anyways. Yeah, logo. So let me take this brand. Can I paste it outside? I can. So this brand right here will not show up on this breakpoint, or this one, or this one, or will show up on this one. Boom. Whoa. Okay, I should put this inside of here. There we go, that makes more sense. 150. Push it away. Push it away, push it away, push it away now. Okay, okay. Like a gap between the bottom and the sides. You know, it'd be cool if it is a floating nav. Ooh, I hear you. I am picking up what you are putting down. Like that. Okay, we'll see what she thinks about this. Is it too crazy to make these background gradients so it matches the bars? Where's them bars? Oh, okay. Oh, how do I... God, I wish... Wait. I wish I can, like, copy this rather than having to set it up over and over again. Copy this gradient. I wish I can just go like this and then, like, new swatch, but it's a gradient, not a solid color. Looks good. The padding still isn't updating though. Yeah, dude. Like, how come I press publish and it's not working? Okay, like, dude. Want to save gradients. I don't understand why the mobile version you can create a class for the gradients. Yeah, I'll do it later. Takes nah, you know what? Stop being lazy. Do it. Okay. Wait. This is really named Rebecca Purple, or did my wife just name it Rebecca Purple? Who's Rebecca? Becky with the good hair. Just do it. Just do all the things. Ugh, no. Well. Ugh, okay, never mind. The gradient feels very Web 2.0. Keep it gradient or flat. Oh yeah, duh. We're using mobile landscape. There we go. Okay, flat. Executive decision, flat. All right, moving on. Yeah. Okay. So does this have to be position absolute now? I don't think so. Can I get away with static? Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. And the height of this, let's just keep it auto. And I just ruined my life. So undo. There we go. Yeah, okay. Sweet. Can we play around with this? Maybe make it bigger? It's feeling good, feeling good. This is crashing, but I want to know what she thinks about it. Maybe I should push it to the... So, dem bars. Ooh, okay. But this is on VH, so it's gonna be different on people's phones. But we'll see what she thinks about this. All right, this is why I love grid. Ready, set, boom. Left, yeah, left align. She hates centered aligned stuff. Like if I did this, she'd get so pissed at me. All right, leave everything as. Well, this one I can. Boom, kill. Is it too big? Should I leave it 3? 3 column, 2 column, 3 column, 3 column, and then 2 column on portrait. Cool. Cool. Ew. 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 Not good. Also not good. Look how services blends with this. We'll see what she says about it though. Where's my footer? Okay, I'll just use purple row. Cool. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I feel like the form is way too small on the font size. Okay, we're back here. We're good. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right, last one. No big deal. No big deal. Cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what if we just did this? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. Something's happening. Okay, that's fine. Too big? I wish there was like a max width or something for backgrounds. Like right here. Okay, this is fine. All right, let's get that away from the... Move that away from the logo. Cool, cool. Too big? Too big, too big. Honestly, who... Oh, wait. That's a Pixel 3 XL, this one? Oh. Well, still good. Happy people. Okay, okay. And how many people really have this size? No one. Come on. Okay, do there. This is fine. This is fine. I feel like this is getting too visually loud, but I'll ask her what she wants. This... I don't know. Ah! Look at you. We'll do something like that. Okay, now this is 2-column right here. Responsive. Boom. Done. Love it. Okay. Is it because of... Oh, ISO wide. I'm guessing it's why ISO wide is because of that. Yep, called it. I can play with the font sizes. Oh, nope, that's not happening. 64. Mm-hmm. There we go. Cool, cool. Cool. This can be responsive now. Like, let's... Wait, hold on. Let me go up one. Yeah, that's fine. Bam. There we go. Easy sauce. Ooh, that's not nice. How do we do this? Well. Mm-hmm. Will it fit? Ooh, 14. Is that too small? Should I do grid? Or flex? Yeah, I can do 3 and then 2. Two big icons. What? Cool. Why is there a white? I don't have. Oh, whoops. When did I do that? Double layer. Nav menu. Horizontal. Okay, cool. And then these are. Okay. And so navlink 1 is going to be. Oh, wait. It needs to wrap. Children wrap. Oh, that was easy. Nope. Boom. How do I feel about this? Why isn't the landscape styles not carrying down to mobile? Did you style those before? Oh yeah, huh? Oh no. Alright, y'all need to, these need to calm down. Okay, make them smaller. Oh, okay, cool. What row is this? Oof. Oh, they're so far away. Oh. Oh, duh. I have a height. Okay, so I have it like that. But there's too far away, so I'm gonna have to add a combo class for this and call it row 4 grid, just so I can remove this. There we go. There we go. Ugh. Leave it like that. Oh, what just happened here? Oh, because, okay. But that's so small, dude. Let me check my phone. Okay. Ooh, on my phone, if you look, it's not wrapping. It's doing 2 rows in the contact, but in Webflow, podcast is on the next row. I kind of like this. Oh wait, how come there's no room on the right? Something is making it horizontally scroll. Up, yep, there we go. Is it you? It's you. But you have an overflow hidden. What in the hey? What is life? Overflow hidden right here. Overflow hidden on this content wrapper. Hides overflowing content. Do I have to set this to VW? No. Hides overflowing. This is overflowing. I don't understand life. Andy was right. Make it a background image, but I've done so much work. It doesn't overflow here. It doesn't overflow here. It doesn't. Oh, it does. Is it because it's static? Ah. I don't know why that happened. Position absolute means overflow hidden works. Position static means overflow hidden doesn't work. Time to rethink your lives. Fine. Whatever you say, W3C, gods of the internet. Wait, it's position... Okay, there's something else pushing it to the right. Who is it? Who is it? Who's... If it's you, it's not you. I need to eat something. Them bars. I hate them bars. Them bars are gone. But they add so much... Okay, hold on. Okay, cool. We're fine. Refresh your phones. Nice. Almost. Whatever. It is unique. When you go to this homepage on your phone, it's like, yo, I've never seen a page like this. It's different. Yeah. Okay. First page done. Should we end the stream there? Or keep going? Let's go do some fixing real quick. Make sure everything is hunky-dory. I'm gonna add some interactions too. Okay, we got our footer symbol, navbar symbol. Okay, we're good. All right, not too bad. Interactions. In my head, I'm like, that'd be cool if these bars like slid. Like if it was like, whoop. Well, I mean, when they get to their final position. Keep going. Okay, I'm going. I'm going until lunch. All right. Let's make things happen. After the page finishes loading, HP Hero Animations. After the page finishes loading, these bars go in to these spots, and then this content slides in, and then this happy people slide in, and I don't know. We'll just make it up as we go, right? Yeah, sure. Whoa, what happened? Let's go negative 100%. Oh, dude. Is this... Hold on. Is this already... Okay. So, FYI, when you are setting transforms in an interaction, Webflow deletes any transforms you've set in the styles panel. So, you have to remember what you've set here and put that into your interaction. So that's what was happening when I was messing around with this position. So, this has a negative 48%. I'm going to go here to my interaction, and I'm going to set this initial state to negative 47%. And I need to be reminded that. I mean, not the initial state. The ending state needs to be 47%. So, we do that. Duplicate this, and this one is going to be initial state. So, there. I want something like that, and then like that. All right. So I'm not going to worry about easing. So I'm going to set the easing at the end, because you can multi-select inside of interactions. Hey, Ron. This has none. All right, cool. Cool. So we got this. %. Oh no, not on the Y. All right. 1, 2, 3. Negative 14%. There we go. And lastly, negative 28. Cool. Let's go ahead and multi-select and out quint. Ugh. In quint? Or in out? I don't know the things. Okay, this has to be... I don't know. Okay, that feels good. Let's slow it down a bit. Staggered? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, added some flavor to it. Takes too long. Let's fix them. Leave it. I'll leave it like that. See what she says. Fix it later. Fix it in post. All right. And so now all of these are going to slide in. This one's simple. So this is negative 20. This is going to be negative 20. Negative 20. Negative 20. Okay, so everything is moved up. And then they're going to move back down. Oh, wait. This needs to have a opacity of 0. This is going to be opacity 0. Cool. And then this one right here, and then dots, right click, duplicate, and set that to 100. This heading right here, opacity and the move, duplicate, fix it. Okay, this one right here, this one, right click, duplicate. So it's going to do something like this. Okay, that's not the order that I want, but everything's working. All right, so you are first after the bars. Okay, and then dots happen after that, but it has a delay of 0.1. And then this is going to happen after more dots, delay of 0.2. And this happens after that heading, and this is going to be 0.3. Select them all and give them an ease. And all right, now we just need the happy people. And the more dots. I messed up. I didn't do the move. And my computer's lagging. Okay, one more. Happy people. Should the happy people slide in from the right? Should it just fade in and appear? Should it do a pop? What should it do? What would be nice? Alright, for now I'm going to do fade. Just 0 to 100% opacity. Figured it out later. Unless someone has a good idea. Yeah, the timing needs to be fixed here and there. Why is it doing that? Why am I scrolled to the bottom already? What? Okay, if I load the page, cool. But if I refresh, look, I'm already down here. I don't like how dem bars hits contact. Unless that's on purpose. I don't know. I feel like these need hovers. And the hover is going to be based on... Yeah, the hover is going to be based on the nav link. So this nav link... Let's give them all... Border bottom. Transparent. 3. Okay, but then this will have nav link 1 on hover. This will turn purple. So this corresponds to the one on the mobile. Hover this one about Cool. Sweet. On brand. Hillary says slide in. Okay. You got it. Sliding in from the right. Here we go. Okay. Actually, I can help her with these. I can rotate them with CSS. But I feel like she needs to fix it on her own. Yo, nope, I can't. It's Pac-Man. Waka waka waka. Waka 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 waka. Nope, can't help. Fix it yourself. Okay. And then I can just use quick effects for these. Super simple. Spin. Whee! No. Drop. What? Fly? Oh god, it's so cheesy. Grow? Okay, there you go. I like it. We'll do that one. Can that be placed in a div, then rotate? Are you saying rotate the hero image? Like spin? Oh, I love doing this staggered image load with these. So check it out. Oh wait, hold on. I need to do a scroll out of view. Well, no, it doesn't. Yeah. Her Illustrator file that she exported, and I don't think she had it actually straight, so she'll fix it. So I'm gonna do a staggered load, kind of like what I did with Evolve Cinema. Is their site still up? This was a heavy site that I worked on, but check it out and scroll down to the bottom and see the logos, how I loaded them in. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Client logos. Maybe I'll just fade them in. I can make it simpler if I just fade them in. Nope, go for the gold. Do it. Takes a little bit more time, but you know what? It's worth it. She's worth it, right? Yeah. So what you need to do is put all the images in a div, and then those divs, you're going to give an overflow of hidden. Okay? And the reason why it's hidden is because when you take one of these client logo, when you take the client logo, and then like with interactions, the initial state is going to be negative 100%, and then once the scroll into view interaction triggers, you set it back to 0% to where it was initially. So it's gonna happen like that. So, whoop, like that. And you can do a little bounce, like elastic ease, so it goes whoop. So that's what's happening in my head, and that's what I'm doing right now. So let's name everything. FYI, if you don't know, you can traverse your elements using the arrows, and that's what I'm doing. Rather than having to take my hand off the keyboard and press on the mouse, I'm just going up, down, left, right, BA, select, start on all of my elements. So that way I can just press right, command enter, type in what my class name is, press enter, and then press right, press down, command enter, type in my class name, and there we go. Much faster than a mouse. You have any tricks on background videos? Seen a few sites they're able to load them quickly, but I have never been able to figure it out. Background videos, they load as fast as they can. Webflow is using a Fastly CDN, but use a preloader. I mean, preload. What happened to my mouse? There we go. Cool. So, oh yeah, go here, client logos. Let's select the first one. Move. Now, I wish there was a faster way to do this, but you have to go one by one. Initial state is 100%. 100%. There you go. I want you to hide. And then move 0%. There we go. And one by one. Oh, you got to make sure it doesn't affect the class. It has to be selected element. And when you're setting your moves, don't switch between pixels and percentages or any type of units. You want to keep it consistent. If you're using percentage for the initial state, use percentage for the ending state. And things get a little bit laggy here, so I have to press on the keyboard slowly. Cool. And now we stagger them. You're first. Wait, you are first. Then you are second. Nope, you're not second. You're second. So your duration. No, wait. Delay. 0.1. 0.2. 0.3. 0.4. One day this will be so much easier. Staggered loads will be so much easier in the future. I promise. I'm not saying there's a feature coming up. I'm just hoping. Because it would be nice to do this much faster. I know in code you can do like, or even SAS or less. You can do +1 to each different element. Yeah, you can code this. I don't know how to code it, but I can find out. But this right here, doing it visually, a little bit slower than coding, but it works for me. Helps me visually see what the heck I'm doing. Alright, so let's play. Cool. Let's set the duration to a little bit slower. Set the linear, set the easing to out back. Bloomin' onions. That's cute. I dig it. And that's what I wanted. And that's what I got. Sweet. Set the offset to 30. Call it a day. Next interaction. These can just slide in. That's fine. Wait, can I set it to a class? Boom. No. Boom. Yes. Cool. They both have it now. Sweet. Cool. All right. How's it look on mobile though? I wonder. Wunderbar. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Yeesh. All right. I think that's it for our first draft. That was fun. Challenging. But I like a challenge. Yeah, hopefully you learned something from this. I'm going to end it for today. Not gonna live stream it so I can get through it faster. But yeah, I like doing these live streams, so hopefully y'all can learn something and I can learn from you. Thank you all so much for helping me with stuff that I had questions about. Those textured circles, interesting. This is an interesting build. Yeah, I have a lot more recorded non-live stream stuff that I want to do. That's on my list. And for people who have posted comments on the YouTube channel and on Twitter saying, hey, can you do a tutorial on this? I'm getting to them. Just if you can somehow create another leap day. Remember, I wanted a day between Saturday and Sunday. If you can make that happen, then yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna grab some lunch. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, go ahead and do so. Hit the like button, notification bell, you know, all that jazz. Yeah, thank you. Just very appreciative of everyone who stops by. And if you're not learning from these, let me know. Be honest. I want to know how I can help teach you, how it can help empower you to keep building cool things with no-code tools. There's so many no-code sites that are popping up. Check them out. There's this no-code, what is it? No-code report? Hold on, no-code report. No-code.report. Sign up for that, and you'll see what's happening around the community. So many things. Connor Finlayson, one of the Webflow ambassadors in New Zealand, and MakerPad founder Ben Tossell, is that how you say his name? They made their own VC fund. Whoa! And then the two young guys who made MemberStack got funded by Tiny Capital. So many things are happening. So, I mean, yeah. I remember in 2013 when I kept on telling people Webflow is going to be a thing. And they're like, but you can only make one page with it. I'm like, but it's going to be a thing. And Vlad's dream, Vlad, Brian, and Sergey's dream is like, they're in time. The logo Webflow is on Times Square, dude. It's an amazing movement, and I'm very thankful for everyone who's part of it. And No Code Conference is gonna be huge, November. I want to see you all there. Everyone who's in this chat room, I want to meet you in person at No Code Conference so we can all geek out together. It's only February, well, March tomorrow, but I'm already hyped. The venue is going to be cool, and I know we're going to have awesome speakers. I know we're going to have awesome workshops. So please, save up for that if you can. I know we're going to live stream the talks. We did last year. I'm just geeking out in my head right now. But thank you all so much. I'll see you in my next videos, in my next streams. Tweet at me at @thepixelgeek. Thank you. Have a good rest of your weekend. See ya. Oh, I didn't say my tagline. Make the web beautiful together. See ya.